So I've been checking out the UB-Size reusable air filter. Now this is pretty much a reusable air filter frame, not so much the filter itself, but it is really cool and it's a really great cost savings from what I'm seeing. So behind me, I have a 20 by 20 by 1. And when I go to the store and buy them, typically I'm spending between $10 and maybe $15, depending on what type of filter and how much you want to be filtered out, all that type of fun stuff. So this right here is the frame itself, and it has this pleated filter that comes with it. Now to open this up, they make it pretty easy, and this is a plastic casing here. And you'll see this filter that's with it. Now these filters, the first set comes with a set of 9, what we see right here. And these pleats for this type of filter is a MERV 8, which is pretty typical from what I'm reading for other air filters for homes to match a normal filter that you would buy at the store. So the thing with this is it's hopefully going to end up saving you money. One of these replacements breaks down, depending on the size of the frame, between $4 and $5 each compared to what you might be spending when you're buying a full replacement filter. Now putting this in, super simple. All you gotta do is get the one pleat seated there, stretch the rest of it, but let's go ahead and do that. And now you're like, well, I don't have a 20 by 20 frame. That's fine, because UB-Size has a bunch of different frame sizes. As well, it looks like also different filter types for different MERV ratings, depending on what you need it for, different types of filtration. So you can go ahead and take a look at that. But once I get through these 9, I don't have to buy another one of these frames, which is really cool. All I gotta do is just buy another set of these. It looks like they come either a set of 4, you can buy them another set of 9. And again, they range in price depending on the size you need, but that makes it really economical and really easy to do. So does it fit? This is the 20 by 20 by 1 right behind me. Of course the air is on, and we have a disgusting air filter in here right now, and I can't get it on, I can't get it out because of the suction happening. But yeah, that is a disgusting filter and needs to be replaced. So all we gotta do here is drop that in. Fits nice and perfect and snug. Close it, and we are all set. So again, that's the UB-Size reusable air filter frame. But I think this is a really great way to not only have these on hand, because what happens if you're not buying a set of the other air filters, which could be quite expensive. These are pretty small, and you just throw them out of top of a closet or something, and then you're like, time to replace it. Take that one out, this one in, and you're gonna be good to go.